Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a 2016 Catalina XBX 291 QBS bunkhouse model. This is a tale of two campers. We're going to start here on what we refer to as the door side. Very pretty Catalina colors, power awning, excellent. As we go to the off-door side, as we say, ravaged by hail. This unit was hit by hail a few years ago. It's on the off-door side. If you don't look at it, you're not going to notice it. But just to put that out there, this unit has been hit by hail, so it's actually a very cool unit, an XBX. We'll go on inside. Fold-out couch, U-shaped dinette. Unit's almost like new on the inside. Split sink, 3-burner cooktop range oven, microwave, Norcold refrigerator, shower. This is a bunk room, very cool. You actually have a desk area. Top bunk will fold down, or you could sleep on this also. So you could sleep a lot of people here. And our front bedroom. Lots of room on both sides. Outlets on both sides of the bed also. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.